cities are the main source of emissions. So many people live in cities, so much business is done in cities. So that's really the starting point. If we can change the way that cities, or rather the carbon footprint of cities, then we can make a huge difference to Europe as a whole.
ICT has 2% footprint in CO2 emissions, and ICT can contribute to enable the energy efficiency for the rest of the 98%. However, ICT should not be a target in itself. It should not be an objective where we should put technology everywhere. We should first of all see what is the citizens, the enterprises, the cities, what they can achieve as a quick wins.
It's not about working with IT industry. It's about using IT in all other industries.
So ICT is one of the, let me say, needed connectivity systems, neurological connectivity systems among technologies, business, and of course the challenge that the European Commission is putting on the city.
The public cannot do projects without the investments of industrials, of the private. Private has the agility, has the acceleration in deploying projects, and has also the experience in doing successful projects. By bringing them together, they can achieve what city of Amsterdam has achieved, what city of Milan has achieved, for example, what city of Manchester has achieved. The combination of both can help put in place the right policy, the right requirements that the authorities would like to put in place, the right funding as well, plus the private agility.
But you have to look at it in an integral way. And then take traffic, take lighting, take whatever into the equation. And then start to figure out what makes sense. Of course, yeah, looking for the easy wins, that was mentioned a couple of times, is quite important. People want to see that you're not just doing paper studies, but actually do something substantial.
Thanks to this very strong partnership with a technological partner like Siemens is, we are able to introduce innovation, we are able to introduce new model to work on the market, and to gain, of course, in this way the challenge that the market gives to energy company.
Technology is there, it's just about the price points that we need to do a bit better.
But the real problem in how to manage the energy, how to give this information to the end consumers of the energy, and how to try to optimize the energy consumptions and to try to reduce the energy consumptions. This is one of topics in which IT, of course, is one of the innovation layer through portals, through also the capability to give on the, let me say, mobile phone idea how the customer is consuming and so on.
I think when you talk about more efficiency, it's about getting out the data and analyzing the data and making new decisions on more efficiency, and IT obviously is the biggest enabler in that part. Besides that, you're going to use IT for make your lighting safe, come to no mobility solutions, personal travel assist kind of solutions. So IT will be, well, probably the biggest enabler in this whole part, but only when they are willing to collaborate with other industries.
Initial investment is quite a hurdle still. And where to find that money and how to find models to refinance that.
Be a smart city. It's not just the marketing slogan. Absolutely. It's about how we do, as I mentioned before, in a financial crisis, how we do more things better and for less money. And if we can find ways of really doing that, I would expect cities to be queuing up to join in.
The cities are the closest ones to the final consumers. So the cities know exactly per district what needs to be done. They have to play an orchestration role between the utilities and the citizens. They can imagine programs that could be innovative. They can place the energy efficiency topic in the whole strategy of the city, where we have multi-sectors represented, not only the energy sector, but also the transportation sector, the buildings, the mobility. All the sectors of the economy are represented in the city. And if the city achieves to have an overall vision on the overall programs of the different sectors, they can do at the end something which is consistent and sustainable over the next 10 years and beyond.